Today I'm going to show you how to register as a brand new family to Perry County School District. This could be used for kindergarten registration or anyone who is brand new to the district. So first thing you're going to want to do is go to sdm.sysk12.com/pv, then click this parent tab. We will click the register new family button in English or Spanish here, and then click next. And I want to put your email address in here, then click next. So this is going to send you an email, and in that email there will be a link to click, and you're going to want to click that link and it will actually load a new page. Says this is going to register a student for the 2021 school year, which begins August 26, 2020. So this information is about the parent or guardian, so fill this out for yourself. And then when you get this page filled out, click next. This page is asking about your primary address and your preferred mailing address. So go ahead and fill that out. And this is just your house number with no address after it. And they want the street down here. The drop down here for zip code, it's confusing because it looks like you should be able to type there, but they actually don't allow you to type, so you have to use their drop down here. So I'm going to scroll down to 63775. And when you do that, it actually loads the state and only gives you a couple choices for the city. Go ahead and enter all the information here. Phone number, language spoken at home. And if you have a preferred mailing address other than this one, go ahead and put it in here. Then click next. And this page is going to ask about your student's information. So here's where we can put in our grade level. If you have more than one student you're going to add, right down here, there's this add student button. So click that if you have more than one. So we'll click next. It's asking, did you forget to add any students? No, not for this example, so I'm going to click proceed. This is asking us to create a parent portal. So just type in a password for this. And then click save. This takes us to the online registration piece here. So we can click on this first edit under household parents. And most of this we just entered, so it should be pretty quick for the first part. So this is your information. If you have a second parent living in this household, you could add the parent to here. For this example, I'm just going to skip that. So on every page, we have to check this box right here, and then we'll click next. Again, this is the information that we just filled out. So check the box and then click next. And this page is, again, information we just filled out from the previous page. You can edit it here. Anything you do edit gets highlighted in orange. Again, though, we want to click the box here and then click next. You can add another student from this page with this add student button. Emergency contacts, we have not put that information in yet, so we're going to go ahead and click add contact. And we'd really like you guys to have 2 emergency contacts on here, so when we're done with the first one, we can add a second one. But for the sake of the video, I'm just going to have 1 here. So click the box and check next. Non-resident parents, you can add a non-resident parent, somebody who is a parent that does not live in your household. You can do that by checking this add household button here. I'm just going to skip over that, so just check the box and then click next. We have moved into student forms. So each student at the district will have specific forms based on their grade level and building. So if you look at this list here, return to list, you can see we're right here under the student forms. So if you had more than 1 student, you'd have more forms to fill out. And then there are specific forms based on their grade level and building. So, and the little checkbox we've been checking, the mark it is complete. You have to do that, otherwise these will stay as incomplete and look like these. So work your way through all of these forms, and then when you're done, it'll pop up to this page and click next, and then you can submit the forms to the school for review. And if you have any questions about anything we covered here, just contact your building office and they should be able to help. Thanks.